Hi friends, welcome to another video by Art Chart. Today we'll be learning how to make a beautiful Indian woman in a pencil sketch. Okay, I've specifically chosen the woman who will be traditionally attired. Okay, I've done the outlining through the grid method already. I will teach that in a separate video. Let us directly dive into the video. So now we have this woman. We have started doing the eyes. Okay, if you see, the first thing that we are doing is we are using a HB pencil. I have used a 2H pencil for the regular shades for the outlines. Now for the shades, I've started using the HB pencil. Subsequently, I'll be using the 2B pencil as well. Right. Once we make all this, once I've made all the sketches, I'm now using a smudging pen to smudge the entire place so that it looks more uniform, the eyes, etc. Right. Once this thing is done, now we have started making the eyebrows. While we can make eyebrows in any manner, just remember one thing, that the shade of the eyebrow should be one very small shade lighter than the eyes, because after all it's made out of the hair itself. Then comes the nose. So if you see, I'm making the shading around the eyes which will depict the nose. The two sides of the nose will show that there is a 3D effect. Now I'm making the hands. If you see, I've made small white patches I've left on the nails, which is more like a light effect. Mehndi henna is being drawn on the hands. I'm also trying to now I'm also drawing the various parts of the hand, which are the small creases, the small lines on the hand, etc., which will now start. So if you see, yes, so these are the lines which you normally have on the hands if you see the back of our hands. Okay, subsequently we'll start making the hair. So when I'm making this hair, I am basically using a regular 2B pencil, and I'm just outlining the hair. If you see this, I've outlined it into a bun, which is a wavy bun basically. Now after I finish all of the shading of the hair, I have now done the shading for the nails as well. Now I'm using a smudging pen to make the hair look uniform. So if you see, yeah, it has to be very carefully done. None of the notches, etc., should get smudged instead. Then once we do this, we also have the next step to be done would be the head ornament which the lady is wearing. Okay, I will also draw a small bindi type thing between the large bindi and the head ornament, which will be a shape of a flower, small petals of the flower. But since that is supposed to be white, I will shade the other portions apart from the petals, which will make the petals look white. See that? Yeah, so that's the smudging effect. Now after drawing the bangles on the hand, we will now move on to the flower, or the gajra as we call in India. Okay, before that I've used the 4B and 6B pencil to make the hair dark. See, I've made the gajra on both the sides. Okay, yes, now I'm making the background. I'll make the background now, so that the entire image will will actually lift up, and it will look like a 3D image. Okay, once I do that, again the next step would be smudging the entire thing so that it looks like a piece of flower and gajra and stuff. Be very careful about the notches, because then that's when the gajra will look like a gajra actually. Okay, and once all of this is done, you basically are ready with the entire you're ready with the sketch, and that's how it is. So thank you very much. Keep watching. Rising from the Purab is my Instagram ID, and I hope that you like this video.